Hey YouTube, today I'm going to be teaching you guys all the basics of Python. This is part 1 of a new series I'm doing. Let's start the tutorial. Now you're probably wondering, what is Python? Python is a high-level general purpose interpreted programming language. Let's talk about each one. High level. Python doesn't require you to understand the computer to program efficiently. General purpose. Python is a general purpose language. Means that you can use Python in various domains such as web applications, big data applications, testing, automation, data science, machine learning, AI, desktop software, and mobile apps. Interpreted. Python is an interpreted language. To develop a Python program, you write Python code into a file called source code. To execute the source code, you need to convert it into the machine language that the computer can understand. And the Python interpreter turns the source code line by line, once at a time, into the machine code when the Python executes. Compile languages like Java and C# use a compiler that compiles the source code before the program executes. Now you're probably wondering, why should I learn Python instead of Java, C, or C++? Python just simply increases your productivity. Python allows you to solve complex problems in less time and fewer lines of code. It's quick to make a prototype in Python. Python becomes a solution in many areas across industries, from web applications to data science and machine learning. Python is one of the easiest languages to learn. Python's syntax is clear and beautiful. Python has a large ecosystem that includes a lot of frameworks and libraries. You can do Python on any Linux, Windows, or Mac. It has a giant community. You can go online and just ask anybody for some help, and somebody will get back to you. Let's talk about the Python versions. Python has 2 major versions, 2 and 3. Python 2 was released in 2000. The latest version is 2.7. It was released in 2010. It isn't recommended for new projects. Python 3 was released in 2008. Python 3 isn't compatible with Python 2. It means you should use the latest version of Python 3 for all your projects. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know there wasn't much programming in this video, but you gotta start out with knowing the basics before you can get into the programming. Be on the lookout for a giveaway that I'm about to start here soon. Bye.